Alright, last video of the day here. Mrs. Freshleys Deluxe. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Peanut butter flavored cupcakes. Chocolate cupcakes with peanut butter flavored icing and filling made with Reese's peanut butter. 480 calories. Let's try this. Got this at Winkletown Walmart the other day. I actually have never seen this before, I don't think. I don't know. Last video of the day, that's right. I'm not doing any more videos. I'm going to take a break for the rest of the day. As you can see, it looks like kind of like Hostess cupcakes, kind of. But it's Reese's peanut butter cup flavored. They also have Hershey's too. I had tried the Hershey's before. Those are pretty good. Those are really sweet, but they're really good. Alright, stay tuned for more videos tomorrow. Peace. I'll give this a 7 out of 10, so peace.